With less than 2 months remaining until the anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's flagship is set to compete directly with the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, potentially hitting the market in mid-January, earlier than initially anticipated. The upcoming device is expected to retain its predecessor's 6.8-inch display, 10x periscope camera, and the inclusion of a built-in S Pen stylus. Recent rumors suggest a February 2024 unveiling, followed by sales shortly after, as Samsung aims to rival Apple's iPhone 15 series, especially the Pro and Pro Max variants. Expected improvements include a faster chipset, a larger battery, and possibly quicker charging, along with a brighter and more seamless display. Changes in the camera system are anticipated, replacing the 10x periscope camera with a 5x telephoto lens while keeping the 200-megapixel wide-angle sensor. Substantial enhancements in camera performance may rely on software upgrades and post-processing capabilities. Design modifications may include a transition from armor aluminum to titanium for the frame, potentially enhancing rigidity and corrosion resistance. Despite titanium's higher density compared to aluminum, leaked renders suggest a reduction in weight, maintaining an overall design reminiscent of previous models. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display is slated for an upgrade with a next-gen M13 OLED panel, featuring a record-setting peak brightness of 2,500 nits. A rumored 144 Hz display refresh rate aims to improve smoothness, and standard features like a punch-hole front camera and an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner are expected. Contrary to earlier speculations about advanced battery technologies, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to stick with a 5,000 mAh battery. Rumors suggest 45-watt fast-wired charging running on One UI 6 based on Android 14, powering the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is the rumored choice, with reports indicating configurations of up to 16 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigs to 1 TB. The Exynos 2400 chipset is expected to compete with Qualcomm's offering, featuring advanced packaging for improved performance and energy efficiency. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.